A smooth implementation is key to helping customers get the most out of their BOSS platform. What methodologies or best practices does your team use to keep projects on time, on budget, and aligned with each customer's goal?
IDI has a very well-defined implementation framework that can be customized to meet the individual business goals of each customer. So the framework consists of 5 different phases. The phases are planning, configuration, migration, testing, and launch. An example of a way that we could customize an implementation is for customers that are on a big growth trajectory and are working with IDI to help enable that growth. We can go straight from planning to configuration, testing, and launch so that new customers that they acquire can go directly into the IDI system and take advantage of the growth opportunities that our functionality delivers.
Yeah, it sounds like a solid framework like that really makes all the difference in keeping projects on track.
It really does.
Implementing a BOSS platform can be complex, but certain factors set up a project for success. What do you see as the critical components of a smooth implementation, and how does IDI help customers navigate common challenges?
I really see the critical success factors that are communication, transparency, and alignment between all the parties on the project. Alignment around the business objectives, the functionality, the timing, and the resources are critically important. IDI has a very well-seasoned team of data engineers, implementation consultants, project managers who will lead our customers through the implementation process. And in addition to that, we use things like a detailed project plan, a risk register, a decision log, so that we can maintain that alignment throughout the project. And that when we hit a point where we do need to have corrective action, we can have clear, honest, and open communication in a consultative way to move forward from whatever the issue is.
Yeah, that clear communication and alignment are key to a smooth implementation. Deb, every telecom provider has unique needs and business objectives. Talk to me about how your team collaborates with customers through the implementation process to ensure their goals are met.
IDI implementations include a comprehensive discovery process, and that's where our solution engineers and program managers will be on site with our customers for a period of time doing a deep dive discovery on all of the ways that you are going to be using the IDI solution. That discovery process then is translated into a statement of work that contains all of the items that IDI will deliver. It establishes the roles and responsibilities and the high-level timeline for how the project will unfold. It really is the key foundational bit for the success of all of our projects.
Yeah, it sounds like a great way to ensure that every customer's needs are met.
And a great way to get to know our new customers as well.
Deb, a great platform is only as effective as the people using it. What training programs and resources does IDI offer to help customers fully understand and maximize the value of the platform?
I like to say that IDI uses a just-in-time and just-enough approach to training. It's really a layered approach to helping new customers learn how to navigate, configure, and use the IDI solution in their everyday business. Projects begin with an analysis and design phase where our implementation consultants and trainers will show customers and sort of reveal how the software works. When we move into the configuration phase, that's where we'll start to include some formal training from IDI University, which is the actual classes that relate to the functionality that you will be using. And then lastly, as you approach your migration, your launch date, we will do end user training, which that training will prepare your users to operate successfully in the IDI solution on day one.
Yeah, so training at the right time really makes adoption so much easier.
It does.
Deb, an implementation isn't complete until customers are transitioned to standard operations. How does the professional services team ensure customers continue to succeed after the implementation is complete?
Part of a successful implementation is a smooth transition to ongoing operations and an introduction to your customer relations team. Your customer relations team is composed of a dedicated account manager, support representative, and billing specialist. Professional services team begins to engage customer relations 30 to 45 days prior to your launch, and professional services stays with your account for at least 90 days post-launch, which gives you 3 months of billing and ongoing operations. Professional services and customer relations teams are available on an ongoing basis to provide training, solutioning, and project support as your business needs evolve.
Yeah, we really want our customers to know that IDI is there for them every step of the way.
Customer care is a really important part of our process.